is ChromaMagic 4, which looks very like at first glance like ChromaMagic 3, but there are 3 big new features, and I'm going to show you one of the most important new features. Okay, so I'm going to show you this on my iPad. Now, I would usually do this on my phone. I usually have my phone at the easel if I'm using it, because it's just smaller and it's easier to use. But the iPad has a bigger screen and just shows up better on camera. So this is for if you're practicing your color matching or color mixing, or you're doing an exercise and you want to get the values as close as you can get using ChromaMagic, and you want to match your colors to the screen. Now the problem with this is screens are very bright, and if I'm working in watercolor, so this is the highest value I can get. This is a piece of scrap watercolor paper. I can't get anything lighter in value than this. And if I had some oil paints handy, which I don't, the lightest value you could get would be probably a titanium white. Now, there's a new calibrate screen in our More menu on the bottom right, and this will help us change ChromaMagic so we can match exactly. I'm pressing the calibrate. Let me just go back. So we've got a More menu and then calibrate. I know that's not a very sexy word, but it's quite important. And then if I put my paper next to it, you can see that the screen is much, much brighter. This is a pure white. So we want to have our pure white to match in value the lightest color we can get. We've got 2 sliders, we've got brightness and we've got warmth. Because all devices have a certain color cast to them, they're usually a little blue, and also your ambient light might be of a certain color. So we want to change both things. So we have our brightness slider. What we want to do, I'm going to put my piece of paper next to it, or if you're in oil paints, I mean, a piece of paper with oil paints would work as well. If you want to paint a swatch of titanium, that would work. I'm going to bring down my brightness until the value matches. Is that about right? That's maybe about right. A bit more. There, I think. I'm actually squinting at it. So the value of this is the same as my screen. Now, whatever the screen shows, the value will never get more than our lightest value we can achieve in paint. I put that on. Now you can see that's slightly blue. And I find that most of my Mac devices go slightly blue. And this is where the warmth slider comes in. I take the warmth slider, move that to the right, should eventually come close to my paper. That's probably as close as I can get. And you can see that almost the edge of that disappears. And that is probably as close as we can get. You can play around with it. That's too much. That's too little. Yeah, kind of in the middle. There we go. I think that's perfect. Now if I come out of this, let me just test this out. And I have a chip here. Let's test him. Let's try and get this is a 2.5Y. You won't be doing this, okay? And it's actually this one. So it's kind of this nice orangey colour in these pansies. And this is what it should be. I put it next to it. Yeah, we're good. The saturation is right. The hue looks right. The value looks good. Fabulous. Let's just do one more whilst we're here. Got one that's a low chroma. Low chromas can be tricky sometimes. 5GY. Okay, it's this one here. 5GY91. Put this one next to it. Yeah, that's very close. It's not perfect, but it's very, very close. It's like a fraction, maybe a fraction of a value. I mean, it's fractional here. So I'm good. So we can be confident now. If we want to match to a chip, so this is a value 5, we match to this, it will actually be a value 5. Good. Let me just show you, you can do the same thing on your phone. Slightly harder to see, which is why I didn't do it first. So here we have ChromaMagic on the phone. And again, calibrate. You can see the screen already, it's bright on the screen, going through the camera. Press the More menu, press calibrate, put it down, bring out the paper. Okay. Oops. Now, I'm going to take my brightness down, and you often find in here, you have to take it down a fair way. That's about right. And the warmth is slightly blue, so I'll move it to the right. I've got quite sweaty hands. It's very, very hot in here. There we go. I think that looks good. That's a good match. And then we can come out. Okay, let's just test this. What can I? I've got a yellow one here. Hang on, let me go. Let's bring up a wheel. Load image. And that was 2.5. Y. 812. There we go. And this should be a nice match. Yes. Nice match too. This is the gold standard. These are Munsell chips that cost a fortune. So we can be confident now we've adjusted the brightness, we've adjusted the colour cast on the screen. We're going to get a good match for our colours. Okay, that's the calibration screen, much easier than it was before.